Today we're checking out this EDIFIER S300 tabletop wireless speaker. And unlike those typical bookshelf speakers, this one actually has a vintage style that it looks like it belongs to your living room or office. And underneath that retro look, it has modern features like Bluetooth 5.4, AirPlay 2, audio features like the LDAC, and high-resolution audio. And besides those modern features, this speaker has more features that I want to show you on this review. So make sure you stick around. And just for a quick disclosure, this tabletop wireless speaker was sent to me by EDIFIER to test out and review, but all experience and opinions are completely my own. And right at the top, you will find this black envelope that has the multilingual quick start guide. It also has the manufacturer's information, instructions about all the connections, and it also contains safety, support, and warranty information. Also at the top is the wireless remote control, and we're going to talk about more of this remote control in a moment. And underneath the box, you will find a black box that contains all the included cables. And inside the box, you will find a 3.5mm to 3.5mm stereo cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and the last included cable is the universal 2-prong power cable. You will need this cable to provide power to the wireless speaker because it does not have an internal rechargeable battery. And of course, here's the EDIFIER S300 tabletop wireless speaker. Right away, I can feel that it has some weight to it, which is usually a good sign. We'll take a closer look at the build quality in just a bit, but my first impression is that it feels very premium. When it comes to the main cabinet of this wireless speaker, it is made of MDF or medium density fiberboard, which is a common material used in quality speakers. Compared to a regular wood panel, the MDF is much denser and helps minimize unwanted vibrations. This cabinet color that I have in here is the black walnut, but you can also get this in brown, which is more of a wood color, and also available in ivory, which is more of a white color. I'm really impressed with its exterior. It feels very solid and well put together. Even the choice of controls fits very well with its design. And with its compact footprint, it fits nicely on a desk, bookshelf, or entertainment console without taking up too much space. It's no surprise that this speaker received an award just for its design. It has that timeless retro aesthetic that blends into almost any room while still looking like a premium piece of audio equipment. And to show you the front controls, starting from the retro-style power switch, instead of a traditional power button, you simply flip the switch between on and off. But one thing to mention about this switch is that you can leave it on the on position. And from that point on, you can power it on or power it back on using the wireless remote or the EDIFIER Home App. And right next to the power switch are 3 retro-style toggle switches for media playback. The left switch goes to the previous track, the center switch plays or pauses your music, and the right switch skips to the next track. Simply toggle each switch up or down to activate the function. These toggle switches are very responsive and they're very satisfying to use, and it adds to the speaker's vintage hi-fi character. And the last control would be the volume knob, which you turn clockwise to increase the volume and counterclockwise to decrease the volume. And this volume knob also doubles as the input selector. And as you switch between inputs, the LED status indicator besides the power switch changes color, making it easy to tell which source is currently active without having to guess. This green light indicator right here means that we are in aux mode. And to use this input, simply connect a 3.5mm audio cable from your phone, tablet, computer, or any compatible audio device to the aux input at the back of the speaker. And when the light indicator is red, this tells you that the speaker is now using the USB-C input. Simply connect the USB-C cable from your computer to the USB-C port at the back of the speaker. And in most cases, your computer will detect the speaker automatically. You might need to change your computer sound or audio settings to select the EDIFIER S300 as your output or playback device. Once it's selected, all of your computer's audio will play through the speaker. And when you see a white light indicator, this means that we are now on AirPlay 2 mode. And this connection is specific to Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, Mac computers, and Apple TV. But you need to make sure that the EDIFIER S300 and your Apple device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To do this, I will be using my iPhone to connect the EDIFIER S300 to my Wi-Fi network by going to my iPhone's Wi-Fi settings. And since the white light indicator is already flashing, I should see the EDIFIER S300 prompting for an AirPlay speaker setup. And in case the EDIFIER S300 is not showing up, press and hold the volume knob for 3 to 5 seconds to reset the AirPlay 2 connection. Then simply follow the screen prompts to complete the connection setup. And to select the EDIFIER S300 as your AirPlay speaker, simply go to your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, and then select the EDIFIER S300 and you're all set. One of the biggest advantages of using AirPlay 2 is the synchronized playback feature, where you can pair multiple EDIFIER S300 speakers and enjoy listening to your music, podcast, or audiobook in different areas of your home. And finally, when you see a blue light indicator, this means that we are now in Bluetooth mode. And to connect the EDIFIER S300 to your phone, tablet, or computer, just go to your device Bluetooth settings and select the EDIFIER S300 from the list. And in case you don't see the EDIFIER S300 in the list, just press and hold the volume knob for 3 to 5 seconds to reset the Bluetooth connection. And if you're going to be using an Android device, I highly recommend that you enable the LDAC on your Bluetooth settings. LDAC allows the speaker to receive more audio data than standard Bluetooth, resulting in a better sound quality with more detail and clarity when listening to high-resolution music. Another feature of the EDIFIER S300 when it comes to Bluetooth connection is the Bluetooth Multipoint. This allows you to stay connected to 2 devices at the same time. The Bluetooth Multipoint feature is disabled by default, and you can enable this using the EDIFIER Home App under the settings. And speaking of the EDIFIER Home App, to get the most out of the EDIFIER S300, I highly recommend downloading this app, which is available for both Android and iOS. Since my phone was already connected to the S300 via Bluetooth, the app automatically detected the speaker as soon as I opened it, so there was no additional setup required. And from here, you can customize several settings to personalize your listening experience. One of the most useful features is the equalizer, where you can choose from preset sound profiles or create your own custom EQ by adjusting the bass, mids, and highs to suit your preference. There's actually a lot more you can do from the app, like renaming the speaker, enabling Bluetooth Multipoint, firmware updates, and important device information. Overall, the EDIFIER Home app isn't required to enjoy the speaker, but it does make customizing settings and accessing additional features much easier. And besides the EDIFIER Home app, we also have the included wireless remote control, which works across all connection modes. And using the remote is more convenient than reaching for your phone every time you want to make a quick adjustment. And while the EDIFIER Home app gives you access to additional features like equalizer and speaker settings, the remote is perfect for everyday playback control. And when it comes to sound quality, the EDIFIER S300 has a frequency response of 48 Hz to 40 kHz, allowing it to reproduce everything from deep bass notes to fine high-frequency detail. And the speakers being powered by an 80-watt RMS Class-D amplifier, delivering a clear, efficient sound with very low distortion. And it's combined with a rigid MDF cabinet. It helps produce a detailed and natural listening experience across a wide variety of music. And also keep in mind that you are listening through an online stream. So the audio that you're hearing goes through a certain level of audio compression. So hearing the speakers in person will always provide the best experience. So if you're looking for a premium tabletop wireless speaker with modern features and delivers an amazing audio with a vintage style that really adds value to your home or office decor, this is the EDIFIER S300 tabletop wireless speaker. And if you want to get one for yourself, I left the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.